Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular Canon cameras for vlogging, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. We'll be evaluating their features side by side to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let's start with the price. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E is priced at $899, while the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera comes in at $799. Both cameras offer great value for their respective price points. When it comes to image quality, the EOS M50 Mark E boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with ISO range of 100-25600, expandable up to 51,200. On the other hand, the EOS R50 mirrorless features a slightly higher resolution with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. Both cameras deliver stunning images, but the EOS R50 mirrorless has an edge in terms of sensor technology. Moving on to video capabilities, both cameras offer impressive features. The EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion shots. It also features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF for smooth autofocus in both stills and videos. On the other hand, the EOS R50 mirrorless offers 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 fps and Full HD high-frame rate movie at up to 120 fps. It also includes a product demo mode with quick focus switching. Both cameras excel in different aspects and cater to different vlogging needs. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras are equipped with advanced technologies. The EOS M50 Mark E features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, making it ideal for capturing subjects with precise focus. Similarly, the EOS R50 mirrorless showcases dual-pixel CMOS AFE with an impressive 651 AF zones that cover up to 100% by 100% area. Both cameras excel in tracking subjects, including people, animals, and vehicles, thanks to their deep learning technology. Both cameras offer additional features that enhance the vlogging experience. The EOS M50 Mark E includes a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging and composing shots from various angles. It also offers convenient vertical video recording, touch record control, and movie self-timer features. The EOS R50 mirrorless, on the other hand, provides an array of auto-compatible scenes through its advanced A+ assist, allowing greater expressive capability even in auto mode. It also comes with a built-in flash for shooting in dark environments or with backlit scenes. In conclusion, both the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera offer impressive features for vloggers. The EOS M50 Mark E is priced slightly higher but comes with a great set of features, while the EOS R50 mirrorless offers a competitive price with advanced autofocus technology. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.